Good day everyone. Today we have with us Malcolm, combined category winner in the Stocks and FX Challenge. Congratulations Malcolm. Tell us more about yourself. What kind of hobbies and activities do you enjoy in your spare time?
Thank you for having me today. I'm currently studying at SMU. I'm doing business and econs. I'm a finance major. What do I do at spare time? Actually, I don't really have much spare time these days, but like a typical guy, I still like my soccer, and I still try to keep up with my watching of my soccer matches once a week. Yeah.
How would your friends describe you?
I would say someone who they enjoy for company. When you're in need of someone to hang out with or for a drink or something, we can easily talk about a variety of topics. I try to keep up with current affairs, I know a little bit of politics, the economy, what are hot button issues of late. And there's always something interesting to talk about. Yeah.
Who is your role model? How does he or she influence you?
I'd say my dad for sure, because he was the one who actually got me interested in trading and investing, and he also showed me that it was not only about working hard for your money, but also about making your money work hard for you.
What was the last book you read, and what impact did it have on you? Can you recommend me a good book?
Last book I read? Actually, with the academic curriculum in full swing, I can't remember when I actually had a good pocket of time to pick up a good book to read. But in terms of getting new knowledge and information, the usual sources, your Bloomberg, your Reuters, Yahoo Finance, checking back on Investopedia for the definitions if I don't know anything. If there's any one book, I would say that if I had time to pick up to read, I would say that would be Margin of Safety by this guy called Seth Klarman. Yeah. So the book actually shows you not only how to invest, but how to think deeply about investing and to understand the rationale behind the rules, to appreciate why sometimes they work when they work and why they don't when they don't.
Share with us your experience during the Stock and FX Challenge. What have you learned about yourself through this experience?
It was an interesting experience, I would say, because there was always both a sense of excitement and anxiety. You're anxious because once you get into a trade, right, you're always checking on your phone, your Yahoo Finance every 5 minutes or so for the latest prices. And when it goes up even by a bit, you get so excited. You do a mini celebration when it's out the way. But it's always a whole roller coaster of emotions to experience, and it's very different from someone telling you how it feels like versus experiencing those emotions for yourself, And imagine this is only a trading game and you really feel this amount of adrenaline. What more in a real life trading?
What attracted you to trading in the financial sector?
I was drawn into the whole world of trading and investing when I finally understood something that we already know, which is time value of money and inflation. When I look around at some of the fixed deposit rates given out there, 1%, 1.something% depending on the tenure, and you compare that with the historical inflation rate of Singapore, 3%, So you realize that it's not worth it. Yeah, you're actually losing value of money if you go into a fixed deposit, unless of course it's appropriate for your risk appetite. What more if you do not put it in a fixed deposit and actually leave it in a cash savings account? So yeah, that was something that I wanted to do about it. In any case, I do not think that you will need to be a professional to learn how to invest. Learning how to protect and grow the value of your hard-earned money, like changing a light bulb, that's a life skill, I think.
What does success mean to you?
Success would mean that I achieve a goal that I set up for myself, Okay, I won this competition and luck did play a part, but I'm always looking out for the next winning trade. And I think that you're only as good as your next trade.
What goals have you set for yourself?
I would like to achieve financial freedom by age of 35.
Wow. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Earning passive income and on schedule to meeting my financial freedom goal.
In closing, would you recommend your friends and peers to join the Stock and FX Challenge? And why?
For sure, I recommend. It's a great platform. It's a great opportunity, Students like my friends and I, we have an avenue to try out investing and trading and to take that leap, And having a competition such as this is quite different from opening a demo account. Both use paper money, but for this event, the competition, you have your constant leaderboard updates as well as the price prizes given out at the end, it creates healthy competition as well as an incentive for the participants to want to do well. Yeah, so I think it's great.
Thank you for your insights, Malcolm. Once again, congratulations on winning the combined category of Stocks and FX challenge.
Thank you for having me today. It was my pleasure.